Hi there, Steve Gaston, the founder of the Masterclass Sessions. I thought I'd just do this little video as an explainer of the difference between the pay-as-you-go tickets and also the membership that we have in place. The pay-as-you-go tickets are quite straightforward. You go onto the website, click on the online ticket links, it will take you to our booking system and you can buy your tickets there. If you are a member of one of our partners, they will have given you a promo code. You put that into the checkout at the end and your discount will be allocated to your ticket. Pay-as-you-go tickets are for the live online series and also for the full day events if you just want to come to one of the full day events. The membership system that we have in place is really the most affordable. You can save hundreds of pounds per year by becoming a member of the Masterclass Sessions. There are 3 levels, level 1, level 2 and a flexible membership. Level 1 starts straightforward at a nice monthly fee, and that gives you access to 2 full day events in any of the cities that you want to attend to throughout the year, and also the full live online series where we have 11 monthly speakers and you have access to all of that. Over and above that, you get access to all the extra networking events that we put in place for our members, the content that's extra on the login part of the website for our member section that will be developing more and more as we grow the membership, and also as our speakers give us more content that's going to be just for our members. The other options of the membership, level 2, that gives you access to 4 live full day events with all the other benefits, and our main package is a flexible membership where you can go to 8 live full day events in any of the cities that you want to choose from. You just let our team know which city you're going to, we allocate your membership to that, and you can enjoy 8 live full day events as well as all the other parts as well of the Masterclass Sessions. Hopefully this video has explained it a little bit for you. We're really trying to make the Masterclass Sessions bringing the best of the best at an affordable price for all, so everyone can benefit from the tools, the golden nuggets, to make us as business people better and also your business better as well. Look forward to seeing you at the next Masterclass session. I'm Steve Gaston, the founder, and remember, the Masterclass session is open to all business owners worldwide. Thank you.